ito. So, prank natin, prank. Scammer to, scammer. Ito, sabi niya, yan. Ito. Ito, oh. Yan ang mga, ano, mga paskalyo ng mga scammer. Yan. Oh. Yan. Oh. Pili ka daw. Nang nagpili na ako, verse 7. So, yan ang sinabi niya. So, nung, ano na, so, yan ang, ano, open the box daw. So, open daw niya. So, oh, wow, yes. So, anak ko. Then, ready ba kuno ko? So, I'm ready. So, naon ko tag-kwarta. So, bang, so, wallet lang akong gipili. Wallet. Then, need to send your Gcash wallet information right now and the name that will appear. So, I can send the 50,000 daw to your Gcash wallet right now. So, binigyan ko siya ng mga ganon information. Tapos, yun. Yeah. Oh, they have a membership card. So, naghingi na siya ng membership card niya. Na kailangan ko daw magbayaran sa kanya. So, diabetes. So, ako, yes, but try lang ko yan. Tryin ko lang. So, nothing, you see that. So, mga ganyan na parang nagkaawayan na kami. So, did you ever ask for this before? So, okay daw. So, pasensya na daw. Sabi ko, pasensya. So, be careful. So, I said, okay. So, I've not had conversation with you before. So, siya. So, this is my first time chatting with you here. So, yes. Why you need membership? I said, to show your fans and you're also show delivery man. So, before you, he'll give you in a package. So, I need money. I said,
Aday?
mga ganyan, yan.
Mahal?
So, yan. Nabihan ko siya, fuck you. So, binlock niya na ako. Fuck you. That's all.